Attention, photography enthusiasts! Sony's latest camera rumors are turning heads, sparking excitement across the industry. From game-changing sensors to AI-powered upgrades, this could be Sony's boldest move yet. Want to know what's coming next? Stay tuned as we uncover all the juicy details about the upcoming A7 V, A7S IV, and more. Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate hub for the latest camera news, leaks, and updates. If you're as passionate about cutting-edge photography and videography as we are, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're diving deep into Sony's highly anticipated 2025 lineup, packed with exciting upgrades and surprises that might just redefine the camera world. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the most anticipated releases, the Sony A7 V. After missing its planned 2024 launch, the A7 V is now rumored to debut in early 2025, likely at Japan's CP Plus show in February. Sony has already registered a new camera body with certification authorities, and all signs point to this being the A7 V. What makes this camera stand out? First, it's rumored to feature Sony's brand new 44MP sensor. This would position the A7 V between competitors like the Canon EOS R5 and Nikon Z8, delivering high-resolution performance without stepping into the territory of Sony's 50MP A1 or 61MP A7 IV. But that's not all. AI-driven features are expected to be a significant addition. Imagine smarter autofocus, enhanced image processing, and potentially groundbreaking tools to make your photography experience even better. Other rumored upgrades include a boost in burst speed, addressing the A7 IV's limited 10 frames per second, and finally eliminating the crop in 4K 60p recording. This would make the A7 V a true hybrid camera for both photographers and videographers. With all these possibilities, it's shaping up to be a must-have in 2025. Next up, let's talk about Sony's video-centric Alpha series. The A7S III, launched back in 2020, has been long overdue for an update. Rumors suggest that its successor, the A7S IV, might finally arrive in late 2024. However, there's an interesting twist. It could be replaced entirely by the FX3 II. The A7S IV is rumored to feature a partially stacked 24.5MP sensor, similar to what we've seen in the Nikon Z6 III. This sensor could deliver impressive video specs, including full-frame 6K 60p RAW, full-frame 1080p 240 frames per second, and APS-C 4K 120 frames per second. While some whispers suggest a global shutter sensor, most believe this new partially stacked design will prioritize low light performance and dynamic range. On the other hand, the FX3 II could inherit the same sensor and design philosophy, essentially merging the A7S series with Sony's FX line. This move could streamline Sony's offerings for content creators and videographers. Whether we get both cameras or just one, it's clear that Sony is focused on pushing the boundaries of video technology. Compact camera fans, this one's for you. Rumors are swirling about Sony reviving its RX1 line, which hasn't seen a new model since 2016's RX1 R2. With the growing popularity of premium compact cameras like the Leica Q3 and Fujifilm X106, Sony might be planning to re-enter the market with a full-frame compact that could shake things up. If this happens, we can expect Sony to pack it with cutting-edge features, perhaps borrowing tech from its Alpha series. A new RX1 would be a dream come true for street photographers and travelers looking for a lightweight yet powerful camera. Could this be Sony's answer to the demand for premium compacts? Only time will tell. Moving on to APS-C cameras, Sony is rumored to launch the A6200, a budget-friendly alternative to the A6700. The A6200 is expected to feature the same excellent 26MP sensor as the A6200 and ZV E10 II, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and beginners alike. However, this raises an interesting question. Does Sony need 3 cameras in this space, the A6200, A6700, and ZV line? With the ZV E10 II already catering to vloggers, it'll be interesting to see how Sony positions the A6200. Will it be a no-frills, performance-focused option for photographers? Or will it overlap with the ZV lineup? Either way, it's clear that Sony is doubling down on its APS-C offerings, giving consumers more choices than ever. One recurring theme in these rumors is the integration of AI. From smarter autofocus to advanced image processing, AI is set to play a significant role in Sony's upcoming lineup. This aligns with broader industry trends, as we've seen similar innovations in cameras like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Imagine a camera that can recognize subjects with incredible accuracy, predict movements for perfect focus, and even enhance images in post-production. These AI-driven features could be a game-changer for both professionals and hobbyists, making it easier to capture stunning photos and videos. Of course, not all rumors are created equal. Some whispers suggest that the A7S IV might omit 8K video, a surprising choice for Sony's video flagship. Others hint at a 12MP global shutter sensor for the FX3 II, which seems less likely given Sony's current direction. As always, take these claims with a grain of salt. While speculation is fun, we'll have to wait for official announcements to see what's really in store. Now, let's talk timing and cost. The Sony A7 V is expected to debut in Q1 2025, possibly at the CP Plus show in February. Meanwhile, the A7S IV, or FX3 II, could arrive later in 2024, potentially around October. Compact camera fans might have to wait a bit longer for news on the RX1, while the A6200 could launch alongside the A6700 in 2025. As for pricing, it's still too early to say. However, given Sony's track record, we can expect competitive pricing that reflects the high-end features these cameras will offer. Whether you're a professional photographer, a videographer, or a casual creator, there's something in Sony's pipeline for everyone. And there you have it, everything we know so far about Sony's exciting 2025 lineup. From the A7 V's AI-driven upgrades to the possible resurrection of the RX1, Sony is clearly aiming to make waves in the camera world. Which rumored camera are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TechVerse, and turn on notifications for more updates on the latest camera news and rumors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.